Here are top 5 skills that will help you make money faster. This video will change your life completely if you watch till the end and you implement just every bit of information I share with you. Most people struggle to make money for themselves because they don't have all these 5 skills. So what are they? Number 1, copywriting skills. So many people, when you ask them, they say, I don't know how to write. Some will say, I don't know what to write. That is the reason why most people are struggling financially. If you can write well, you can make money faster. And you can make money faster than your counterparts. You can eat well. So you need to develop your writing skills. Do you get that? Number 2, communication skills. Most especially in this digital age where we have social media as a tool to make money for ourselves, you should be able to communicate. You should be able to speak. If you have something you are selling, you should be able to communicate the benefits of your product. You should be able to communicate and speak directly to your target audience. If you don't have this, you're going to struggle to make money. Even if you have a business, your business will slow down. It may take you time to realize that it's because you don't know how to communicate. So it worries me so much when I see a lot of young people who have a lot of stuff in their head. They have so many skills, they have a lot of knowledge, but they don't know how to communicate it. It's even more painful to know that some of these people studied English language. Some of them studied communication. And then they struggle to speak. They struggle to communicate. The only time you will see them talking, speaking, is when they want to do when it comes to, using their voice to communicate their knowledge, to pitch, to sell, they flop. Skill number 3 that will help you make money faster. That is ability to sell. Anything you know, any skill you have, any knowledge you possess, any product you produce, if you can't sell, you can't excel. Do you get that? So you have to learn it because it's a learnable skill. It is not a skill you will just develop overnight. No, you will learn it the same way we learn mathematics, the same way we learn social studies. That is the same way you are going to learn how to sell. Do you get that? Skill number 4, ability to learn faster than your counterparts. Most people slow down too much when they are learning. And that is because some of them ask too much of questions. Some of them do not listen enough. You're talking while your teacher is talking. Some of them learn just once. You buy a course, you listen to a lecture just once, and you think that you've understood it. Come on. You don't know how to learn. Your ability to learn faster than your counterparts position you better for success than anyone else. Do you get that? Success is a game of speed. You should sharpen your learning skill. Okay? And how do you do so? You pay attention enough. You listen enough. You do repetitive learning. You don't learn just once. You repeat what you learn again. You go over the lecture again. That's how to do it. Then when it is time to implement, you implement dangerously. You don't overthink it. Number 5, that is tenacity. Because in everything you do, you want to monetize your skill, you want to monetize your knowledge, you want to sell your products, you are going to face challenges. So, do you have this tenacious strength? Do you have tenacity? Can you continue on that process until you get results? Some of you come online, you post a video, and when people are not engaging as much as you desire, you stop posting. When you do this, you don't have tenacity. And when you don't have tenacity, you give up too quickly. And when you give up, come on, you fuck up. Do you get that? So I struggled to make money online from 2007 to 2018. But I did not quit. If I had quitted, I wouldn't be here today. That is tenacity. So do you have this tenacity? If you don't, then you need to build it. If you are interested in making money online, you want to get it right before we enter 2025. Go to the comments, type I'm interested. Then go to my bio, click the link there to start with our digital marketing training for beginners. And I'll see you on the other end.